Welcome. Today I am cooking a smoked salmon sushi bowl. It's quick and satisfying, and it satisfies my sushi craving every time. It takes about 17 minutes and you can't beat that. The ingredients I'm using today are rice, smoked salmon, avocado, carrot, cucumber, soy sauce or coconut aminos, yum sauce, and I'm using everything bagel, or you could use poppy and sesame seeds, or you could leave them off altogether. They are definitely optional, but add a nice taste. I am going to start my rice cooking in my rice cooker and start prepping up my ingredients. My rice is done cooking and I've put it into the bowl, and now I'm just going to add some of my other ingredients. I'm adding my coconut aminos, or if you have soy sauce, that would work perfect also. And then I'm just going to start adding my toppings. I have my sliced up carrots, and some of my avocado that's diced up, and I have my cucumber, and I'm just going to put some of my sliced up smoked salmon on the top. And to finish it off, I'm going to add some of the yum sauce. You could use wasabi and mayo if you would like. Or experiment with other Japanese or Asian sauces that you typically see on sushi. And my last step, I'm just going to sprinkle on my everything bagel seasoning, or you can leave it off, or you could use sesame or poppy seeds, whatever you'd like. This is a quick and easy meal. By the time my rice is cooked, my ingredients are prepped, I throw it together. Probably takes 17 minutes or so to do. It's fresh, it's delicious, and it satisfies my sushi craving, like I said before, and every time. So I hope you give this simple meal a try and enjoy.